Hello children, chapter 12 money. Children, you know that this is a Indian currency, commonly used coin. It is a 1 coin. This is rupees 2. It is rupees 5 and this coin is rupees 10. Commonly used note. 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 500 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. This is the Indian currencies. Okay. Now start the question. Akash mother asked Akash. Now start the question. Akash mothers asked Akash to buy bread 4 rupees 35, butter 4 rupees 20, chocolates 4 rupees 45, chips 4 rupees 40 and coke 4 rupees 80 and gave him rupees 300. Now answer the following question. The first question is, how much money will Akash spend? Bread 4 rupees 35, write 35. Add butter 4 rupees 20, add 20 rupees. Chocolate 4 rupees 45, add 45 rupees. Chips 4 rupees 40, add 40 rupees. Coke 4 rupees 80, add 80. Rupees 35, rupees 20, rupees 45, rupees 40, rupees 80. Addition sign and then add. Okay. Children, you know that firstly at ones place digits. This place is ones and this place is tens. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 0 write down this place. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 8 equal to 22. Write 22. Children, your answer is 220. So, Akash spent money 220 rupees. Next question is, what is the cost of bread and butter? Children, cost of bread is rupees 35. Cost of butter is rupees 20. Find out the cost of bread and butter is rupees 35. Add rupees 20. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Your answer is 55. Cost of bread and butter is rupees 55. Okay. Next question. How much will the coke and chips cost? Cost of coke is rupees 80. Cost of chips rupees 40. Find out the cost of coke and chips is rupees 80. Add rupees 40. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 4, 12. Your answer is 120. The cost of coke and chips is 120. Next question is, in the shopping list, which is the most expensive thing? Coke. The cost of coke is rupees 80. Coke is the most expensive thing. Okay. Next question is, which is the least expensive thing? Children, butter. Butter is the least expensive thing. Cost of butter is rupees 20. Okay. Next question is, name 3 things which Akash can buy rupees 100? Children's bread, butter, chocolate. The cost of bread is rupees 35. Cost of bread. Cost of butter is rupees 20 and cost of chocolate rupees 45. Add 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 5 10, 0 write down this place, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 10. Answer is 100. So that this three things which Akash can buy in rupees 100. Okay. Next question is, how much money can Akash save if he decide not to buy the cock? Firstly, find out the total cost of bread, butter, chocolate, chips. Okay. Cost of bread, butter, chocolate and chips is rupees 35. Add rupees 20, add rupees 45, add rupees 40. 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 0, 10. 0 write down this place, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Akash mother gave him rupees 300. 300 subtract rupees 140. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 0 minus 4. 0 is a small digit as compared to 4. 3 से 4 लेंगे 2, 10. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Akash can save money is rupees 160. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is, how much money can Akash save if he decide not to buy the cock? Your answer is rupees 80. Because cost of the cock is rupees 80. So Akash save the money rupees 80. Last question is, how much money is left with him in the end? Firstly, find out the cost of the bread, butter, chocolate and chips and cock. Okay. Cost of bread, butter, chocolates, chips and cock is rupees 35. Add rupees 20, add rupees 45, add rupees 40, add rupees 80. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 write down this place, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 8, 22. Write 22. The cost of bread, butter, chocolate, chips and cock is rupees 220. Akash mother gave him rupees 300. Write 300 subtract rupees 220. Your answer is 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 0 minus 2. 0 is a small digit as compared to 2. 3 से बोरो लेंगे 2, 10. 10 minus 2 equal to 8. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Your answer is 80. Money is left with him in the end is rupees 80. This is the answer. Okay, children. Next question is, circle the article you can buy in 40 rupees. Pencil, kite, toffee, pineapple, papaya, ball, ice cream, and rose. Okay. Worksheet question. Bani has rupees 100. Help her to use the money well by choosing different item. Cake rupees 80, ball rupees 60, ice cream rupees 25, and lunch box rupees 45. Item name: cake. The cost of cake is rupees 80. Write 80. Okay. Next item is ball. The cost of ball is rupees 60. Next is ice cream. The cost of ice cream is rupees 25. Next is lunch box. Next is lunch box. Rupees 45. Next question is, Ram got rupees 40 from his father, rupees 10 from his brother, and rupees 50 from his grandmother. How much money did he get for his birthday? Rupees 40 from his father, rupees 10 from his brother, add rupees 50 from his grandmother. Total is 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 50, 100. Rupees 100. So Ram get rupees 100 for his birthday. Okay, children, this is the answer.